Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change a transaction date in Spendee. All right. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your timeline right here. And once done, go ahead and find a specific transaction that you wanted to change the date. For example, I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down right here. And I wanted to change the bills and fees right here instead of December 5 to maybe November 29. Okay. So what you'll do is just tap on the specific transaction, wait for it to load. And once it loads, tap on the calendar right here. Wait for it. Now, once you're in the calendar view, what you'll do is just go ahead and swipe down, okay? And make sure you swipe down from this section below, not from the top. Because when you swipe down from here or swipe up, as you can see, it will just make our calendar view disappear. Make sure again that you swipe up or down from below, like so. And again, November 29. I'm going to select it. And once done, it's changed. Just click on or tap on Save Changes. And it should be gone from this section right here because our filter right here says by months. Okay. As you can see, it's gone. So what we'll do is just go ahead and select year like so. And it should be right here. There you go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.